This is when you last minute cosplay. This is what I get. It's a photo.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Taikina Beauty. It's day 2 for Otakon. Here is my take on the Sailor Mars cosplay.
I am not getting a strike for copyright. I am like always stressed, but who's not?
Can't nobody do it like me, fuck
A
no.
vibe.
Eyes, oh, can't find my contacts.
Those contacts are bomb. I'm gonna go into detail about those. They're from Uniquely So.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Once I find my contacts, I'll get into more detail. They're really pretty. I want it to be accurate as possible with Rei. She has dark purple eyes. Pretty. Next, the hair. Gonna braid that up. Didn't want to show too much on camera because I got glue stuck in my baby hairs. Yeah. You guys, comment down below what tips and tricks you use to keep your wig intact when you cosplay. Your girl needs help. Now we're getting into the skin. Always wipe your face before. Gonna go in with SPF. Protect your skin from aging. Protect it. Going to go with my Coola. I love Coola sunscreen. The only thing that sucks about it is that it's very lightweight. So you can't use it by itself. You have to add a moisturizer. Unless you need it. Then I'm going in with the Drunken Elephant. Shout out to Sephora. That was my birthday gift. I love Drunken Elephant. I want to try more things, but I am broke. So subscribe to your girl, because I'm broke. Now we're going into the eye cream. Got this from Marshall's. You guys know this. It's in my other videos. Now I'm going to start off with the powder. I want to do this first instead to make it look good. And I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier. We all know about how I love this. What's you guys' favorite face primer? Comment below. Next is the brows. Pretty mad because I couldn't find my eyebrow brush. The one I'm using at the moment is e.l.f. I'm looking for a new one, so you guys comment down below what's a good eyebrow pencil or eyebrow product that I could use because I'm looking for new ones to try out. What are you guys' favorite type of eyebrow products? Whether it's an eyebrow pencil and the spoolie brush or the dip brow. What's yours? Concealing next with the under eyes and the eye with my Marc Jacobs concealer. Congrats to you, Marc Jacobs, for receiving an award from MTV. Can we get into this Urban Decay spongy blender brush? It's amazing. I love it. You should buy it. I recommend it. Go get it. Next, we're going into the palette. I'm using Lorac Pro's eyeshadow palette. I like to mix it up, so I use the colors light pink and white on the eyelid, brushing it around. It's a pretty color. It becomes very neutral when you mix it. Now, of course, for the crease, I'm going to use another color, but I'm going to mix it up and use it from the Moschino palette. This color is called Cloud Crossing. Very pretty dusty color. I think this will go great because when you look at the Sailor Moon girls, they don't have like a lot of makeup, so I do want it to be as like neutral tone as possible, just natural, but like just with a pop of her colors. Now I want to strengthen that crease, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Beauty Provocateur palette with 2 eyeshadow colors called Just Stay and In Bed. That's the perfect description of my life. I would love to do that all day. Then we're going to blend that out with a bigger brush. I hate harsh, I strongly dislike harsh lines in makeup, so it's always nice to do that with a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to touch up my eyebrows because I'm not happy with them because I can't find my normal e.l.f. eyebrow products I use. Again, comment below what is your favorite eyebrow product that you are using. Now we're going to conceal the eyebrows to make them look better, and I'm going to touch up on this eyeshadow look. I want the middle area to look more defined, so I'm going to conceal. Whenever you make a mistake, the best way to cover anything up is with concealer. Concealer is a lifesaver. But yes, we're going to shape where I want the intensity of the lighter color to look on the lid, and I'm going to do my brows. Multitasking. We love a multitasking queen. We stand. Another reason number 876 why you should subscribe and hit it twice for the notification bell, because I am a multitasking queen. I do the most complex things that are simple in a weird multitasking way. But now we're going to blend everything out, and we're going to make everything look good. It's coming together slowly but surely. Application and how you applicate things, girl, learn how to talk, oh my gosh, is key. And I want to find new products, new makeup tools I can use for my face. What do you guys like to use? Do you like to use like a stippling brush for foundation, your hands, or what do you do? Now I'm going back in with the Lorac Pro, and I'm just going to mix the white with the mauve color and put that on top of the lid just to balance everything out. I thought the color wasn't contributing with it enough, so I thought this would help, and it looks good. I like it. The reason why I chose to cosplay Rei, aka Sailor Mars, is because I grew up watching Sailor Mars, Sailor Moon. That was my first anime as a kid, and I love watching anime. So I'm glad to be bringing this to my channel and being open to my interests, to my subscribers. I feel like in my past videos I wasn't able to show that, and I feel like I'm more comfortable with being able to do that and show you guys vlogs and more of my life and what's going outside of just makeup. But Rei is an Aries. Well, she's based off of she's based off the planet Mars, and Mars is the ruler of Aries, and I love astrology as well, so that's why I chose it. But now we're going back to makeup and going in with concealer. I'm going to start doing my overall face. I'm kind of actually done with my eyes. I try to do a routine where I start with my eyes and then go to my face so I don't mess up when I try to do my eyes, because that's the first messy part. But now I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer. I love this concealer. It's so cheap, and it's a drugstore brand, but it's like comparable to luxury brands. I love this concealer. I will never stop buying it. It's gonna be like one of my good ones. But yeah, we're gonna blend out with it and keep going until I don't see any more of my Chanel bag dark circles. Then we're going in with my mascara. I'm happy for myself because my eyelashes are growing back. I think I'm going to do a video on how I've gotten my eyelashes to grow back. I have not taken good care of my eyelashes at all. I will explain in a video, and if you guys want to know how, or if you guys have tips, comment down below what you do to make your eyelashes grow, or what are some good mascara brands that you use to make your eyelashes look like falsies, because that's the goal with my mascara, or I hope that's the goal with your mascara. It'd be nice if I told you guys what mascara I'm using. This is the Clinique mascara. I will link in the description, or just put it in the description of what it is. But I did buy it from Marshall's. It's like a very defining mascara, and I think that's what my eyelashes needed. I don't care about the length. I just need that thickness. I'm trying to get thick. them bottom lashes, though. Next is the Laura Mercier primer. I could bathe in this. I love this primer. It's like a second skin. Now we're going in with, I'm going to treat this as a base. It's the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. The color is not my color. I think it's like my winter color. So I'm like being shady because I don't even know the name. I'm going to give you guys a name. You'll know it. But I'm going to put that all over. I'm just going to use it as a base. Next, I'm putting on the sample of the Marc Jacobs Shameful Youthful 24-Hour Foundation. I will link what the color of the foundation is. I do not know it off bat. I like this because it matches my body. My skin tone is so weird. My body is darker than my cheeks and my chin, and my forehead is the same color as my body. So my forehead is like darker than my lower face. It's so weird. But now we're going into Fenty Beauty. Love me some Fenty Beauty. Lover, 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 lover. I need to try more products from her. What's your favorite product from Fenty Beauty? I'm using her iconic, one of her matchsticks in the color Mocha to contour. This is like my favorite contour stick in the world. I think I will repurchase this when it runs out. I still have it. It's a good cream contour. Very buildable and blendable. Even though I forgot that side of my face. Yes, I'm shading me. Now we're gonna powder it out. Since, you know, we put the creams on. I'm using my Smashbox contour palette. I really love that contour palette. I'm almost done with it. I have so much makeup I have to restock. You guys just need to comment down below what are your favorite must-haves in your makeup staple. Because I want to know and I want to try you guys stuff. And I think you guys have great recommendations. I remember one time this girl, she recommended Drunken Elephant in one of my videos. And, like, I have not came back from that. Like, I love you, girl. I want to find you. I'm not going to. Now we're going to highlight. I'm using the Pat McGrath highlighting palette. I love that palette. It's super expensive, but I think it's worth it. And I did go in with Chanel lip gloss while I was like over talking too much. This highlighter is great. It's like a girly pinky color. I like to use this for special occasions, and I think this will be great for when I cosplay. Lash time. This takes the longest. Brace yourself, ladies. No, just kidding. I made it short for you guys and simple. Going with my duo glue. You don't need that much. That's what I'm saying. I like to trail this along like it's going, like, I don't know, making a mark through it so I don't make a mess. Then I wait for it to dry. You have to, or not, it won't stick. So I'll do other things while I'm waiting for it. Like the eyeliner. I want to make white liner since it is a fictional character. My eyes are already big, but let's make it bigger. Now we're going to bend and snap. And we're going to trim these lashes to our liking. I never thought there was a purpose of trimming lashes until I put these lashes on and I couldn't see my makeup creation. I don't like having lashes on and you can't see the makeup look. It defeats the purpose in my opinion. I don't know what type of eyelid I have, but I think it's easy for any lash for me to wear to hide the look. So I like to trim the ones that stick out. And I'm going to bend and place it in. And when you place it in, you're going to shift it in and lock it in. I'm like pushing it into the lash line, if that makes sense. That little contour mark is annoying me. I wish I saw that when I was doing that. I like to pinch my natural lash and the false lash together to secure it and lay them down to check that they're on the lash line. This commercial was sponsored by Takina Beauty. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and follow me. Now we're moving on to the wigs. Got this wig on Amazon. It's a really good wig, you guys. Get into Amazon hair, y'all. I might wear this wig out on a date. A mystery date, a blind date, no one has to know. Really good hair. It's a synthetic wig. I needed a simple black wig for all of my cosplays. Stay tuned for my other one, you guys. I can't wait to have videos for those. They're going to be really good. And I just need a long black wig. I believe this one wasn't that much. I think it was under $30. I will list it below. I am securing it with a bobby pin because I couldn't get my wig to secure. Again, comment below what you do to secure your wig.
Let's go say hey to him. This looks so good.
You guys, I'm doing a vlog, a Otakon vlog. Please stay tuned. This is a preview of it. I cannot wait. Now I'm gonna put on those earrings. I got these earrings from Amazon, and they are from like the actual company that, you know, made Sailor Moon, which is really, really cool. That's all I wanted. I look cute. Hey. And I oop.
Toei Animation, if you're going to do a live action version of Sailor Moon and you need a Rei, I am here in America. I am in Maryland. Like, holla at your girl. Holla at me if you hear me. Holla at me if you hear me. Holla at me if you feel me. Holla at me if you... This costume better be it.
Okay, y'all, so this is a last minute cosplay, hence the title. And I got this costume on Amazon. It was about $20. You do get what you pay for because that stuff was wrinkly. It needed some tweaking. I needed a bow. It did come with a necklace, choker, and gloves, but the quality was just not really there. There was just so much I could have done to it, but it wasn't bad. It was the Mona Lisa of cosplay. It looked good far away, but if you went up close, yeah, you can kind of see the imperfections, but it wasn't too bad. Oh, and it did come with a tiara, of not a great quality one. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.